Here are some points on the reason behind our yawning which many of you don't know. 1. This is a leading theory. It suggests that yawning helps regulate brain temperature. The deep inhalation during a yawn increases blood flow to the brain and cools it down. 2. Paradoxically, even though we often associate yawning with tiredness, it might also be a way to increase alertness. Yawning can increase heart rate and bring in more oxygen, which can help counteract drowsiness. 3. The contagiousness of yawning suggests a social function. It might be a form of nonverbal communication, possibly indicating tiredness or boredom within a group. It is also thought that the contagiousness of yawning is linked to empathy. 4. Yawning can help to open the eustachian tubes, which connect the middle ear to the back of the throat. This can help to equalize pressure in the ears, especially during altitude changes. Thank you.